AI cameras are precisely capturing goods that need to be transferred. Tusk robots spring into action immediately. Butter, flour, all baking treasures are transported securely. Every transaction demonstrates ultimate efficiency and precision. With timely ingredients, line-side workers are in full swing. Their hands turn the raw into tasty. AMRs are their most capable assistants. Empty pallets have dedicated management. Cameras and robots work in perfect sync. Just like a breathtaking duet dance. Zero delays in logistics, no waiting. Robots are equally crucial for the production line. They promptly replenish empty pallets, keep finished goods flowing smoothly. Precise detection, efficient transportation. Every second counts. Deliver frozen goods to storage in time. Escorting every fresh home safely. Before the upgrade, goods were often stuck during peak season. After the upgrade, 20% less waiting time with real-time monitoring. Before, stop and open doors by hand. After, automatically interact with doors, boost efficiency by 120%. Before, blind spots of manual forklifts caused safety risks. After, 360 obstacle avoidance ensures human-robot safety. Before, high labor intensity led to high labor costs. After, autonomous handling cut labor cost by 50%.